We all have an ingredient in the kitchen, and that is brown sugar. If you have ever made a liquid fertilizer, you already know that sugar can be a great food for microbes and helps them grow faster and stronger. When microbial life increases, soil becomes more active, nutrients become more available, and plants respond with healthier growth. This simple kitchen ingredient can quietly improve soil fertility without relying on synthetic inputs. It also supports beneficial bacteria and fungi that naturally protect plant roots from disease. But if we turn brown sugar into molasses, it works far better than plain sugar. Molasses is more concentrated, more stable, and richer in minerals that microbes love. That is why in this video, we turn brown sugar into molasses, so we can store it and use it whenever we make a new type of organic liquid fertilizer in our garden. The first step is to take about 500 grams of brown sugar and add it to a pan. Cook it on low heat and keep stirring slowly. At first, the sugar will stay grainy, but after a few minutes it will begin to melt and dissolve. Continuous stirring is important so the sugar does not burn. As it melts, it will darken slightly and become smooth. Once the color deepens and the sugar is fully dissolved, add a small amount of water. Be careful at this stage because the mixture will bubble. Keep stirring gently and let it simmer. After about 10 to 15 minutes, the liquid will thicken and develop a consistency similar to what you see in the video. At this point, remove the pan from the heat and pour the hot molasses into a glass jar. It is important to do this while it is still hot, because once it cools, it will become very thick, almost like honey. After a few hours, it will fully set and be ready to use in your garden. Molasses offers many benefits when used in liquid fertilizers. First, it acts as a powerful energy source for beneficial microbes. Bacteria and fungi need carbohydrates to multiply, and molasses provides a complex and slow-releasing form of sugar that keeps them active for longer periods. This leads to a more stable and diverse microbial population in the soil, which is essential for long-term fertility. Second, molasses contains trace minerals such as iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sulfur. These minerals may be present in small amounts, but they play a crucial role in plant metabolism and microbial function. When microbes consume molasses, they help convert these minerals into forms that plants can easily absorb through their roots. Another important benefit is improved nutrient availability. Many nutrients already exist in the soil, but are locked in forms that plants cannot use. Active microbes, fueled by molasses, break down organic matter and release nitrogen, phosphorus, and micronutrients in plant-available forms. This means your plants can access more nutrition without adding chemical fertilizers. Molasses also improves soil structure over time. As microbial populations increase, they produce sticky substances that bind soil particles together into aggregates. This improves soil aeration, water retention, and drainage. Healthy soil structure allows roots to grow deeper and stronger, making plants more resilient to drought and stress. When used in compost tea or other liquid fertilizers, molasses accelerates fermentation and boosts microbial density. This results in a more potent liquid fertilizer that delivers life to the soil, not just nutrients. Plants treated with microbe-rich solutions often show improved leaf color, stronger stems, and better flowering or fruiting. Molasses can also help suppress certain soil-borne diseases. Beneficial microbes supported by molasses compete with harmful pathogens for space and food. This natural competition reduces the chances of disease outbreaks and strengthens the plant's immune response. Another overlooked benefit is improved nutrient uptake efficiency. Plants growing in biologically active soil often need fewer inputs because their roots form better relationships with microbes. These microbes act like an extended root system, transporting nutrients and water directly to the plant. Finally, molasses is affordable, easy to make, and safe for the environment. By converting brown sugar into molasses at home, you create a versatile ingredient that can be used again and again in different organic liquid fertilizers. It supports soil life, enhances plant growth, and builds long-term fertility naturally. Over time, this simple practice can transform tired soil into a living, productive ecosystem that continuously supports healthy plants.